Mathematics is like a chain reaction where one link is connected to the other from simple to complex. And these simple links are nothing but different topics in mathematics. You shouldn't expect a child to know how to solve system of equations when that child don't even know what an equation is all about. This is why so many students hate mathematics, due to the fact that they miss some important topics in mathematics that are part of this chain. They are part of the connection. Another key reason why so many students hate mathematics is because they fail to see that connection between mathematics and real life. Or let me say, their teachers fail to show them that connection. Let me give you an instance. A lady who used to cook at home, maybe she always cooked for 4 people in the house. And let's assume in that stew, she always applied 3 Maggi cubes. We have so many ingredients. I'm just giving an instance with Maggi. And it happens now she has to cook for 400 people, maybe at an event. And she needs to determine the number of Maggi cubes to use. So 400 people. She would like to determine the number of Maggi cubes. This is where ratio and proportion comes to play in real life. So how can she determine the number? Just take the ratio. Definitely the number of Maggi cubes will be more, right? So if more, let's should divide here. So if you want to determine the ratio or scale factor, take this 400 because we are talking about more, right? Divide by this. So this will give you the scale factor, which is 100, right? Times this by that value, which is the initial number of Maggi cubes you always use at home. It will give you what? 300 Maggi cubes. So if you want your food to taste the same for 400 people while you used to cook for 4 people, then apply 300 Maggi cubes. The same thing is applicable for all other ingredients, including quantity of rice. Maybe you used to cook 1 cup of rice. Then if you want to cook for 400, if at all this is exactly what is sufficient for 4 people, then you have to take that one, you multiply by 100, which is going to give you what? 100 cups. So 100 cups will be sufficient for 400 people. If at all this is exactly sufficient, maybe it is not over or less. Another one, maybe oil, different things. Just know what you used to use before, then determine the number of people you're going to set that dish for at the moment, then take the ratio, then multiply by the initial quantity you used to use before. Yeah, that is the relationship. We have so many relationships between mathematics. In fact, there is no any topic in mathematics that has no real life application.